Are you feeding your brother? Is he doing a good job? He likes it. Very good. Yummy! Apples!
Ready for some more?
Yeah.
He looks like Santa Claus.
He's got it all over. Can you scoop it gently? Good job. Oh, he's trying to find some more. He likes it a lot. Bring it to his mouth. Good job. Yay! Wait for him to chew. There you go.
You're gonna put it all the way in the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Stick your hand out in the mouth. Come on. Like this?
Yep, just little bites. Perfect, Bryson. Good job. Is that yummy, Liam? You're good. You can keep feeding him if you want.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Where's one more?
Oh, he wants to touch it. Try to. Oh. Here, let me